Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about the CTC Combined Planner for next year 2019-2020. So for the video I'm not going to be hiding any names because it's very hard to hide names when you have got so many tabs that have got names. Let me reassure you, my video is made in such a way that this is my YouTube channel because I don't actually put description or tags on. So my video is actually very unpopular. Even when I send it to managers, they don't bother to look at it. So that's how unpopular my videos are. So names are safe with my videos. So let's go through the tabs that have got a padlock on. In these data is actually imported from the original files. So these are read only. I have put a padlock on so nobody will be able to type into it. So let's just say I put holiday down, and then the whole sheet will have the text disappear. Okay, so that's why it's blocked, because it's actually reading from another location. So this is done for merchandise, nursery, children's wear and hobby. So when you actually enter data in your original file, sometimes this spreadsheet needs time to refresh itself. So the data in this spreadsheet might just fade in and fade out depending on the refreshing of the spreadsheet. So if you find that some of the data is not coming through, press the refresh button for it to come through. Now this video is very important for those who are new to your department and need to know about this, because they will say, oh, I can't actually change people's rota on here because it's protected, and then blah 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 blah. Don't even try and send me an email to unprotected this. Okay, nobody is going to be sabotaging this spreadsheet. So the way I've done it for this year, as in next year's, I have actually removed a few thousand formulas just on this part, because last time I imported the data from the names onwards, but this time I'm importing it the whole sheet. So therefore the whole page here is actually done by one formula instead of a few thousand. So therefore, hopefully it will speed things up. And so the summary tab is actually reading all of these data like before. Again, you don't actually type into this page because everything is actually being read on these tabs. Now, what I've done is I literally went and duplicated last year's one, and then I reworked the formulas to produce this one. So if you see there are remnants of errors from last spreadsheet, tell me, and then I will come along and fix it. But when you tell me, go to your start menu, find the accessory folder and look for snipping tool. And with the snipping tool, you see you press the new, and then you select the name of the planner and also the tab. Can you see? And then you can actually use a pen and just circle this and circle this, and then you can actually handwrite one or two words to indicate to me that you want this to be looked at, because your spreadsheet is so fast, as in there are a lot of pieces of a jigsaw that fits together to make one. Sometimes when you tell me something is wrong, I have to be like Miss Marple and look through all the data. You know, I've got no time for all this. And when you do that, you go to File and you Save As. And then you just give it a name and save it on the desktop. Okay. And when you send an email to me, you literally just let me just make this a bit smaller. Oops. Go back to here. You see, that's the picture I've just saved on the desktop. Just pull it in, drop, and that would be the picture that I see. And just type in a few words for me to understand what you want out of all of this. Because there are so many components to make your spreadsheet, it actually could be at any location where the mistake occurs. But if I actually can visualize what you're talking about, it will just make it easier for me, really. Yeah, so that's this part. And then I will go into the notes. So the notes has been refreshed for you to use. Like before, whatever date you type in and the messages you type into here, the bridge will pick this up here. I find that there is a manager, maybe a new manager, is actually typing straight into here. Okay, so if you type straight into here, you have broken the formula. Okay, Control at will let you see all the formulas. Control and then at. Okay, that is no good. There is one manager that is doing this, one person. So what you need to do, you click on the area that has got the formula and you go to the bottom corner. When the cursor change, pull down. Okay, you can also do it upward as well. Whoops. If you if you've done it wrong, just press this button, undo. Okay. Yep. Control at again. Control at again to see normal. I'm actually quite pleased with this here. You don't type it in manually. It actually spot what you do on your new school uniform and school fitter planner. So if I just put down non-shop floor for you here in the school uniform, and then I go to your bridge, I'm actually really pleased with this. Find an area that has got, you see, I can tell this one doesn't have a formula. So non-shop floor uniform. I'm very pleased with that. And if I go to school fitter, shoes fitter, non-shop floor. So this non-shop floor start is a name, and this person have been trained in shoe fitter and school uniform. You go to here, and it will update. Yeah, I'm very pleased with what I've done here for you. Yep. And now I've noticed when I open it all up, it looks really ugly. Can you see? So I'm going to show you how I would neaten it up. So first of all, you can actually zoom out using this. And what I would do is I would select the whole line here, press the format brush, okay, and then drag down like this. Can you see? And then let me just scroll up. For example, here is quite ugly, so I would select one line and then format paintbrush and drag down. Yeah. I'm running out of seconds now. Let me quickly do it. Oh dear. Let me quickly do it before we run out of time. Yeah, see? Very easy. Thank you very much. Goodbye.